Give that creeper a hat. Captain ALM.
Hello, Captain ALM here. Welcome to the first episode 0, of coding in Small Basic. Today we'll be setting up Small Basic and introducing extensions. Of course, we won't actually use extensions in the Small Basic introduction tutorials. So, let's go. As you can see, we're here. This time I'll be using my virtual machine because I've already set it up on this machine. So let's extend, let's save this. Start up VM. Okay. So once the VM starts up, it'll be long. This is virtual, as you see anyway, so shouldn't be long. This is 2, 3, 6, 5, 6, 6. Anyway, it shouldn't be long. Basically, I'll be showing you how to set it up. And hang on a minute. Anyway, so here's how you set up Small Basic. So first of all, what you want us to do is you want to start your browser, or whatever. I'll just go down to the browser. The browser first. Now you go to when it starts responding. Yeah, this is embarrassing, you're not responding. So go to smallbasic.com. It's the download page. Anyway, so I won't be downloading. So now you go and click download. However, since I'm using Windows XP, if you're using Windows XP or earlier, you have to download the Small Basic 1.0. I'm using XP here in the virtual machine. I'm using 10. I've got 1.2 and 1.0 installed here. So you will download this if you're using Windows Vista and above, and you'll download Small Basic 1.0, which will be in the right resources. So this is for XP below. You will download 1.2, not 1.0, and what's that? Whatever problem comes up, make sure you save it, don't run it. Let's finish download, whatever you do. Down to that and run it. Right, if you're using Windows Vista and above, you'll have an administrative prompt at some point during it. You'll have to select yes to continue. Usually I say the entire feature will be installed, and you can have a look at this usage if you like. Now we hit install. If you're on Windows Vista above, you'll have this administrative prompt. Select yes. It goes whatever, boo, pull to the, and you select yes. The screen dims out. Just saying. And once installation, and then you can press yes, then it continues the installation. Once it's finished, it should become installed. Once it finishes, it's a bit slow on VM. So once it's up, you're looking at my videos. No spoilers. Once it's finished, and then that's it. Right. So now Small Basic should be set up on your computer. And now if I go to it, I should actually be able to click and drag. Or can I not put it on virtual? What's it? No, I might. So once to open Small Basic, first thing you should be free to code whatever you like. Extensions. Your internet browser. Again. Go to smallbasic.com. Wait for it. VMs, they're always. Right, once it's finished. Right, instead of going to download this time, we're going to go to extensions. Scroll down, scroll down some basic extension. Okay, so all of these the extensions can download. So in this case, on a download, the dev one. And now for the download dev, you go to their website. Then you click. Here I will be downloading the one for. I'll be downloading the one for XP, which is this lovely one. This one is the one you'd actually want to download if you're using 10 Vista or above. Sorry, it's basically 10. Download this one, but I'm downloading this one so it's compatible with the current version, so it's installed. So you're using the 1.2. Ask you whether you should save it as usual. You download after such. And you click it, extract all, next, just wait for it to extract, finish, and now you should see a list of the things. Here's how you do it. You click that, you click that, you click that, you click that. You right click, you select copy. Got that? You get a computer, my PC, my computer, whatever you want. XP is with my computer, obviously. Then you get a C, program files, or program files times 86 if you're using a 64 operating system. Times 64. Otherwise, you go to program files, and you get a Microsoft. Small basic. Now you'll notice there's no lib folder. You get a lib folder and you type in lib. If you're using Windows Vista and above, it will ask you for administrator privileges before doing this. And you'll get that little screen with the confirmation dialog and the sound that happens before and the dimming on the screen. And the same goes when you press paste in the lib folder. Here in XP below, it does this. Vista and above, you have the lovely administrator screen poking its nose into your face. If you're on a limited account in Windows XP below, you'll also have that lovely administrator screen poking in your face. Don't forget that. Once you've installed the extension, the next thing you want to do is start the extension up. So for this, you will go to Start, All Programs, you stop lagging. What? I think it's still seeing some clickings. Oh well. No, it doesn't seem to be responding. Huh. Yeah, it seems like the VMs decided to be an idiot. Look. The VM's playing up, don't worry. The VM's just playing up, don't worry. Yep. Yeah, the VM's just playing up, don't worry. So now you'll be able to see the dev extensions that we LD. You might also have to unblock the zip file as well before doing it. Depending on what happens. Okay, so that's it for setting up Small Basic. So now we'll do whatever. Check the VM to stop it. And so that's it. And so that's it for this tutorial. So for now it's goodbye from Captain ALM.